Hey Stockpile Squad, welcome to the channel. I'm Mara, aka the Stockpile Queen, and today we're diving into the 10 must-have foods every smart stockpiler needs in their pantry. Whether you're prepping for emergencies, saving money, or just love being ready for anything, this list is your golden ticket. Let's get started. First up, beans. They're packed with protein, fiber, and last 5 years. Pro tip, dry beans are cheaper, but canned are ready to eat in a crisis. Stock both. Next, number 9 is rice. White rice lasts 30 years if stored airtight. It's calorie-dense, versatile, and costs pennies per serving. Avoid brown rice, it goes rancid faster. Who else loves pasta? It's number 8 because it's shelf-stable for 2+ years and pairs with anything canned sauce, pesto, or just butter. Buy in bulk and thank me later. Number 7 is oats. Breakfast, snacks, even DIY granola bars. They last 2 years and absorb flavors like cinnamon or honey. Many stores sells them cheap. Number 6, canned meat. Shelf-stable protein is gold during power outages. Spam gets hate, but it's salty, fatty, and lasts forever. Don't knock it till you've tried it. Number 5 is peanut butter. It's calorie-rich, kid-friendly, and lasts 2 years. Go for no-stir brands to avoid oil separation. Pro tip, use it for sandwiches, sauces, or even survival energy bites. Number 4, broth or bouillon cubes. They add flavor to rice, soups, and stews. 1 cube equals 1 cup of broth. Store them in a mason jar to keep critters out. Number 3 is honey, nature's forever food. Archaeologists found 3,000-year-old honey that's still edible. Use it to sweeten oatmeal, preserve fruit, or even treat wounds. Number 2, freeze-dried veggies. They keep 25+ years, retain nutrients, and weigh nothing. Toss them into soups, stir-fries, or just snacks straight from the bag. And the number 1 food every stockpiler needs? Salt. It preserves food, enhances flavor, and is essential for survival. Stock iodized salt for thyroid health and buy a 25-pound bag. It's dirt cheap. There you have it, the 10 foods every stockpiler should have. Drop a comment below, what's your must-have stockpile item? And don't forget to grab my free 30-day Stockpile Starter Challenge, link below, to build your pantry like a pro. If you loved this video, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell. Next week we're tackling 5 costly stockpile mistakes you're making. Stay prepared, stay savvy, and remember, you're just one stockpile away from peace of mind. Bye for now.